Hello everyone, today we're delving into the topic of adding funds to your Uber Pro card. Stick around till the end of this video to discover more. If you're looking to deposit cash into your Uber Pro card through various retail locations, follow these simple steps. Start by opening the Wallet tab in the Uber app. From there, select Add Funds and choose the Cash Deposit option. Utilizing your map, locate the nearest Greendot location and proceed to deposit the cash. Once the deposit is made, your account will reflect the deposited amount. Next, initiate a transfer by opening your bank's app or website. Select the transfer option and designate your Uber Pro card as the external account. You'll need to find the routing number and account information, which can typically be located by clicking on the tiny eye icon in the upper right corner of the Wallet tab. To verify your account, some banks may require a trial deposit, which can take up to 3 business days to process. Once the trial deposit appears in your account, select it as the deposit option and follow the provided instructions to finalize the transfer. Keep in mind that the transfer itself may take anywhere from 3 to 5 business days depending on your financial institution. And there you have it. Adding money to your Uber Pro card is a straightforward process. Thanks for tuning in.